breaks today. Some magnificent views all the way around us. It's a bit chilly. I think it's like 0 degrees. Got a bit of frost on ground, but yeah, it's not too bad. Not as bad as it's going to be tomorrow. Could be -5, I think, or something tomorrow. And the fells we're doing today is Lochrig Fell, Black Fell, Holm Fell and Lingmoor Fell. And we're going to camp on top of Lingmoor Fell today once we get there. And a bit of sun earlier, it's gone now, but sure it'll be back out soon. Heading up to Lochrig Fell. That's the first one of the day. So I was heading through Low Wood. It's a lovely bit of woodland. And back onto the road after. And then back on trail up to Fells. The sun's poking itself out, poking its little head out. It might warm up a bit. Currently at 0 degrees. Beautiful view all around. Definitely my favourite national park that I've visited. I've only been to 4, but this is my favourite out of them all. Been to the Peak District, North York Moors, Lakes and Yorkshire Dales. But definitely Lakes is a favourite one. No wind at all today as well. It's going to be a nice, easy little camp. At lowest nighttime temperatures about -1, so that's not too bad. Lochrig Tarn, half a mile. So far I bagged 20 wainwrights. Got 194 to go. That'll be in 4 today. That's the current view. That's where we currently come from. And that over there is Lochrig Town. That right there, as you can see it. Nearly at top now. Not long to go. So leave a comment below which is your favourite of the wainwrights in Lake District. I think mine's probably got to be Helvellyn out at ones I've climbed so far. Couple of jets over there, flying fast. Wonder what alarm noise as well. Nearly at top. This is the final bit. Quite a lot of jet activity. Seen about 6 so far. Leave a good echo in the valleys. But I can't see it. There's a trig point. That's the first one done. On to the next one. That's just down here. Back down to lower levels and back up. The next one's Black Crag, I think, or Black Fell, something on the lines. A bit cold up here, it's a bit frozen over. jet up there if you can see it. Quite a lot today. Must be doing some sort of exercise. Another one there. Right, so on we go. Let's double check again on map. No, it's this way. Nice view over Windermere there. Get that for a view. Can't get better than that, can you? A bit chilly up here. Should have probably fetched me gloves, but I left them in car, so you know, it is what it is, I guess. Well, I don't think I'll get too cold though. Thinking you turn back now. Don't think I should have come up this little hill. Just now, I'm need to be back down at bottom, down in the valley, down here, down this path here. I'm not too sure if I can use drone, to be honest. We got all jets flying about. Don't want to interfere with any of them, do I? Maybe on Black Crag I'll get a go over there if it's a bit less flying going on. Also, if you leave a comment below, tell me which is your favourite out of all the national parks in the United Kingdom. I've never been to any up Scotland, so I'm going to head up there this year sometime when the weather gets a bit better. Maybe give Ben Nevis a climb. think when I get to Blackfell or Black Crag, whatever it's called, I'm going to stop off, make a coffee, and yeah, have a bite to eat. Right, this way. Really lovely around here. Absolutely stunning. Look at them views. Can't go wrong, can you? It's taking all this. Oh shit. Meant to be on that path. Oh well. Off-roading. So down into the valley, for Black Crag. I think we're still a couple of miles away from it yet. I think it'll be a bit of easy walking on flats after this. And the highest height fell of the day is Lingmoor, which is, I'll have a quick look for you, it's like 400 and something. Let's have a look. Lingmoor fell. That is 469 metres, that one. So back on the lower ground now, heading towards Skelwith, or however you pronounce it, I'm not too sure. Skelwith, that's how it looks anyway. And then just after here, I'm going to be ascending up to Blackfell and Black Crag. Well, the weather's been lovely so far. Not one bit of wind, no rain. Sun's showing its little red art. So yeah, you can see over there, that's where we came from. Just up top of them. Oh, it's a steep descent, this one. Lovely view of Lake Windermere over there. You can see over there, that's where we came from. Right there. We're a bit busy on top of Home Fell, so I didn't make a coffee. A few too many people up there. A couple of families and what have you. Also, I didn't really film it either. So, yeah. Well, nearly at Home Fell now. Look at that fog there. It's got a nice eerie look about it, hasn't it? And up there, that's where we're heading. Home Fell. So this is the summit of Lingmoor Fell. I've not set up yet. I'm just going to have a little look around and see, find an area to set up. So we are all set up now. That's the current setup. Tent of choice is the Lanshan one, the nightcap Lanshan one. And inside, there's little lanterns up there, little flex tail mini pump or tiny pump. And the bag of choice is the Vanguard Viper 750. Just shitty pillow I got for Temu, which I think I paid £8 for it, but to be fair, it's a pretty decent little pillow. And then just a Trekology sleeping pad. It's not really rated for this time of year, but I've used it in worse conditions and not had any issues. So yeah, we're going to get some food on now. So I'll see you in a bit. Container, just some oil. And yeah, we got, there's chicken, there's tortillas, there's mixed peppers and onion, just chopped it all up and there's chicken. That's just about ready, to be honest. I'll take it off. Pop that there. Get my water boiling for my brew. to be honest. That's the last wrap. It's going to be a fat one, this one.